If you are juggling 10 AI tools right now and still getting average results, you are probably paying monthly fees while crying into your coffee. Elite AI Suite claims it can replace all that with one dashboard and zero monthly fees. No tech stress, no tool overload. Let's see if that actually holds up. Hey, Kamal from TestedOps.com here. 6 years in affiliate marketing, SEO, video marketing, and yes, testing tools that promise to host NASA but barely manage a landing page. In this video, I'll give you a straight-up Elite AI Suite review. No fluff, no hype, just real-world usefulness. Quick heads up before we dive in. If you grab Elite AI Suite through my link below, you'll get my exclusive bonus stock. These bonuses are designed to help you actually use the tool instead of letting it collect digital dust. Details are in the description. So what exactly is Elite AI Suite? Elite AI Suite is an all-in-one AI software built for marketers, freelancers, and anyone selling digital services. The main promise is simple. Create AI content, AI images, voiceovers, transcriptions, bio pages, QR codes, short links, all from one dashboard, without paying monthly subscriptions, without switching between tools. That's the pitch. Elite AI Suite works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you log in. No complicated setup, no verify your server nonsense. Easier than setting up a Netflix account. Step 2, pick the AI tool you want. Content, images, voiceovers, links, bio pages. Enter your prompt, click generate. No PhD required, no fancy jargon. Step 3, use the output. Publish it, sell it to clients, or repurpose it across platforms. That's it, no hidden wizardry. Let's talk about what actually matters, results. Here's where Elite AI Suite shines. First benefit, AI content creation. This helps you create blogs, ads, scripts, emails, and social posts faster. Result, you save hours, you publish more consistently, you stop staring at a blank screen. Second benefit, AI images and graphics. Perfect for social media posts, ads, thumbnails, and quick visuals. Result, no more waiting for designers, no more Canva gymnastics. Third benefit, voiceovers and transcription. Turn text into voice, turn audio into text. Result, easy content repurposing. Videos, blogs, captions, podcasts. Fourth benefit, bio pages, QR codes, and links. These are insanely easy services to sell. Result, fast client work, quick turnaround, easy upsells. This is where freelancers make money. Now let's talk pricing. Elite AI Suite front-end costs $14.97, one time. Let that sink in. Most AI tools charge $20 to $50 per month, per tool. 1 year later, you are down hundreds of dollars and still switching dashboards. Elite AI Suite. Pay once, use it long-term. From a value perspective, that's solid. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Are you grappling with the challenge of managing numerous tools for content creation and promotion? Struggling to seamlessly integrate them into your business operations? Do you find yourself exhausted from juggling between different platforms to meet your marketing needs, wasting precious time and resources? Are you in search of a unified solution that can streamline your entire digital marketing workflow, simplifying tasks such as URL shortening and analytics tracking? Would you like to alleviate the complexities associated with managing multiple software platforms and embrace a more efficient approach to content creation and promotion? Introducing Elite AI Suite. Elite AI Suite is a comprehensive solution to pressing challenges in today's digital landscape. With the proliferation of social media platforms and the increasing demand for high-quality content, businesses need to adapt to remain competitive. Elite AI Suite offers a unique approach by combining over 125 web tools into a single user-friendly platform. Say goodbye to managing multiple freelancers and complex software installations. By streamlining content creation, publication, and promotion, Elite AI Suite empowers businesses to thrive in the digital age. Its built-in AI technologies revolutionize content generation, allowing for stunning graphics, captivating voiceovers, and compelling written content, all from a single dashboard. This eliminates the need for costly freelancers and reduces the time and resources required to produce high-quality content. Furthermore, Elite AI Suite simplifies AI integration into business operations with its intuitive interface and comprehensive training resources. The commercial license of Elite AI Suite opens up opportunities for businesses to capitalize on emerging trends and tap into lucrative markets. Whether you're a seasoned marketer, a budding entrepreneur, or a small business owner, Elite AI Suite offers the tools and resources needed for success. With Elite AI Suite, you can effortlessly generate custom QR codes to enhance your marketing efforts. Additionally, you can create bio pages to showcase your brand and streamline social media promotion. Say goodbye to the hassle of managing multiple tools. Elite AI Suite simplifies your digital marketing workflow and increases productivity. In conclusion, Elite AI Suite addresses pressing challenges by streamlining content creation, simplifying AI integration, and providing comprehensive support. Say goodbye to stress and inefficiency with Elite AI Suite. Click below to experience streamlined operations, increased productivity, and endless possibilities for your business.
Now let's quickly go through the upgrades. These are optional. OT1, Elite AI Suite Unlimited. This removes usage limits, perfect for freelancers or agencies doing client work daily. This is my top recommended upgrade if you plan to use this seriously. OT2, DFY Money Magnets. This gives you done-for-you lead magnets. Good if you hate creating freebies, optional if you already have your own. OT3, DFY Marketing Suite. Pre-built marketing materials. Time saver, not required. OT4, White Label. This lets you rebrand the software and sell it as your own. Advanced users only, not beginner-friendly. OT5, Reseller License. Sell Elite AI Suite itself and keep commissions. Only makes sense if you already have traffic or a list. Now let me give you my honest take. I tested Elite AI Suite the same way I test everything. I asked one simple question: does it save time without making results worse? For basic to mid-level tasks, yes. It's not trying to be the most advanced AI on the planet. It's trying to be practical. For content drafts, client visuals, voiceovers, and quick service delivery, this is exactly the kind of tool I'd use when speed matters more than perfection. Now let's be honest, Elite AI Suite is not magic. It will not build a business for you while you sleep. You still need to think, you still need to market, you still need to edit AI output. It's also not built for enterprise teams or advanced developers. If you expect one-click riches, this is not for you. If you are allergic to doing any work, keep scrolling. But here's the real question. What if you could stop paying for 5 different tools? What if you could deliver AI services faster without juggling platforms? What if your workflow was simpler, cleaner, and cheaper? That's what Elite AI Suite unlocks. At the current launch price, the risk is low. The value is there if you actually use it. The link is below. Launch pricing will not last forever. If this review helped, hit the like button. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. Subscribe for more honest reviews that don't waste your time. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. I'll see you in the next one.